Marissa Hill here from ShadeTV, and you're probably wondering, what happened to all your sneakers behind you? I sold them all. Just kidding. Just clearing the space because I need to clear my mind, which means I need to go shopping. Bringing me to the sponsor of this video, which is eBay. Going to be heading on to the eBay site because I am in the need to go and buy some shoes on the resale market. I know for the first time I've taken some L's in the past and I am feeling like I need to add to my collection. Just from the past few years, there's been a couple shoes on my list that have been eating away at me, and thanks to eBay's new authenticity guaranteed, I have the peace of mind that I've been waiting for in order to buy a shoe for resale and know that it is going to be a legitimately checked shoe. eBay does such an amazing job with their authenticity as far as sniffing the shoe, making sure it smells on point, to all the specific details that need to be verified in order to know that that is the real deal that you are getting. So I am feeling like I need to call my grandma because I think she is my shopping partner in crime, and we are going to definitely make a dent on the eBay site by picking some shoes to add. So let's give her a quick call. All right, let's get my grandma on the line. Hang on one second. Find her number. All right, here goes nothing. Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Marissa.
I miss you so much. Guess what we're gonna do today, Grandma? We're gonna go sneaker shopping.
Where are we going?
We are going onto eBay's website. They literally have some of the rarest, retro, newest released shoes out there. So I think it's literally going to be the most fun and perfect place for us to find some new shoes to add to my collection. I know your feet are smaller than mine, but it's okay, Grandma. You can wear and borrow my shoes anyways.
That's good.
Okay, should we start with my first selection? Let's head on over to the site and look at them together, and you can tell me which ones you like. And then we're gonna go a one by one through it. As you know, Grandma, you taught me how to wheel and deal, right? Flea markets, we have gone to the flea markets together and you've helped me work good prices, right? So we're gonna try and get the best prices for these shoes. That's the great part about eBay, is you can kind of work on the price point. So don't freak out, Grandma, on some of the shoes I want. The prices may be a bit high. First shoe I'm gonna look at is the Melody Asani Nike Air Jordan 1 Mid, and it's the Fearless shoe. This shoe is selling for $1,450. It's okay, Grandma, it's okay. I know. We're gonna actually try and see if we can maybe bargain to get this price point to a lower price. And just so you know, we're so lucky because eBay provides buyer protection. So we don't have to worry about this shoe being fake. Do you know about fake shoes, Grandma? They sell fake shoes out there. We're not the only ones shopping on eBay though. We have 183 million other people who are actually potential buyers on the eBay platform. Let's go on to the second shoe, Grandma. The next one is the Off-White Air Jordan 4 in the Sail colorway. It's a little bit different. What do you think? So this was a woman's exclusive. Virgil Abloh, the creative for Off-White, did a ladies first drop. So he wanted women to actually have the opportunity to get this sneaker first. I unfortunately was not one of those ladies that got it. Did you get one, Grandma?
Not that one.
You didn't get that one? Ah, bummer. Well, this one is a little lower price point. It's going for $1,200.
Wow.
You know me, Grandma, we always wheel and deal, so we're gonna go for a few hundred less. Since this is actually a $1,200 shoe and we get it for a little bit less, as long as it is over the price point of $750, we could actually get a signature required delivery at really no expense to us, which is great because we're getting a $1,200 shoe, right, Grandma? We want somebody signing for that package. The great part about eBay as well is that it gets sent directly from the authenticator and it gets shipped via 3-day shipping. Next shoe, Grandma, I think you're gonna like this one. This is the Nike SB Dunk Low Grateful Dead's in the yellow colorway. Does it not look like a teddy bear?
Yeah.
Could you cuddle with that shoe, Grandma?
No.
You don't like that one? Why do you like that one? Is it too bright? I think you're gonna like this one too, Grandma. It is called the Strange Love.
Rainbow. Wow.
It's like, it's pretty, right? I know you love red. Show your nails, Grandma. Are they red? Show me your nails. Let me see. Look, they match the shoes perfectly. Absolutely perfectly. This one is going for a price point of $1,200. I know. I know. I know. Are you getting excited, Grandma? New sneaker closet you're gonna see. You know how much I love sneakers, but not as much as I love you. Not even close.
That's true, Marissa.
The next shoe is called Peace Be the Journey. I actually have the second shoe. It's cool, right? This price is more favorable. $620 is the price point that it's going for currently. Is this one of your favorite ones you've seen so far?
No.
No? You like the Strange Love, huh? You like the heart one. Last shoe. This is probably one of the most expensive. It's the Air Jordan 1 Off-White UNCs. So this is a bright blue shoe, Grandma.
Not that one.
Not that one? All right, last but not least, Grandma, I feel like you're gonna like this one. It's just all white. So it's the Nike Off-White Presto.
Not that white one.
It's just too plain for you? What's your top shoe? Which one should I get? You've gone through so many.
Red.
The Strange Loves and the Melody Asanis. I feel like you like the first one. Excited to kind of see these in hand. I can't wait to show them to you. I know. I'm glad that you're wearing me on your shirt today, Grandma. We've shopped a lot together, so this is our first online shopping experience. Did you like it?
Yeah.
All right, love you, Grandma.
I love it.
All right, so all of my eBay packages have arrived. As you can see behind me, I've already unboxed a few of the sneakers that came in. I've saved one though to unbox with you to kind of show you how eBay actually packages these quite nicely so that they make sure there's nothing that's going to get damaged with the actual sneaker box itself. The process though was extremely easy. I was able to shop the authenticity guarantee by just looking for the check mark on the website. I was able to bid with those different sellers and work down some prices. I didn't get all of the shoes that I originally had talked about with my grandmother, but I was able to find some other pairs that I'm so excited to have added to my collection. So just to kind of show you what the box looks like, this is so cute. This Meet Your New Soulmate or Meet Your Soulmate, which is really cute. So inside this package, it says eBay Authenticity Guarantee. So again, I was only shopping for authenticity guaranteed sneakers. So by looking for that check mark, it was very easy for me to find a few pairs to add to my collection. We have this whole carton here, authentic without a doubt. And let's just open this up. So I want to just kind of show you that they definitely do take care of the box inside by giving us some nice padding. I've had some bad experiences before with having damaged boxes, but eBay does it right. So this is my Salehi Bembury pairs that I spoke about with my grandmother. I was so happy to work a good price point down so that I can add this to my collection. As you know, I have Water Be the Guide, so I really wanted to get the original pair that released, and this is just such a great box already. I'm so excited to show this to everyone. And now that I have the box here, you can see this is an incredible box, and it is in mint condition, which is one of those things that can be frustrating, is getting boxes that have damages to them. One of the things that eBay does amazing with this multi-point inspection is they go through and they make sure that they do a full-on box inspection. That is a definite easy kind of red flag if something is fake, is if the box is a little off. As you can see, this is a very intricately detailed box here. Oops, it's upside down. But very cool. This would be very hard to actually recreate. So they definitely verified this box to start off with. Now let's just take these out. This is a beautiful sneaker. So another part of that multi-point inspection is they look at the stitching of the shoe, the materials of the shoe, to make sure it is exactly what it is supposed to be. As far as the soles, they definitely do a hardcore inspection on the soles as well to see if there's anything off. The sizing label is also inspected in that multi-point inspection, so you can see there, as well as the heel tabs and the laces. So you'll notice that this pair came with some additional laces, so it would be strange if these didn't come with some blue, cream, and green laces. Yeah, wow, 4 laces with these, and the orange, of course. One of the most important parts of the shoe when you receive it is the NFC tag. So definitely make sure that you've got this tag on there. And this is the authenticity guarantee tag. And it's not just, you know, a simple tag. It's going to be on the left shoe. So all of my sneakers behind you can see it's all on each of the left pair of the sneakers. But this NFC in labeled tag actually provides you with information that you can also look up on all the authentication details on your specific sneaker. And one of the greatest parts of this is if you do decide to resell these down the road, you actually can help speed up that process by having this tag saved. Now let's take a look at all of the other sneakers that I've been able to add to my collection. This was such an exciting moment to be able to open these boxes and see all of the sneakers I took L's on. And it's just like so exciting to have all of these shoes to really add to my styling for the fall coming up here. I had so much fun styling each of these, but this Salehi Bembury Peace Be the Journey was one of my favorite pickups. Definitely these orange and kind of yellow colorway tones are gonna just work perfectly as we move into the fall. But one of my other favorite pickups is my black off-white Prestos. So the thing I love about the Prestos is they are extremely comfortable, and not to mention, this is basically gonna go with everything and anything as far as styling goes. But definitely one of my most comfortable sneakers that I got from eBay. The other pair that I got was actually a white pair. Couldn't pick between the white and black, so I definitely love that now I have a secondary option to wear, but this time in a white color scheme. The other 2 pairs of shoes that I got, I wanted to kind of differentiate from the ones I already picked up. So this one was a sore L for me, but I'm obsessed with the Carpet Company at Nike collab done on these Dunk Highs. I think they did an impeccable job, and just having this in hand, it's a spectacular looking sneaker, and again, just a fun sneaker that I got to style. For the last sneaker that I got, another off-white collab with Nike, but this time it's in a different silhouette. So this one that I got is actually the Air Max 90. A lot of you know that the Air Max 90 is one of my favorite silhouettes. This is just one of those drops that I took an L on, and I really have always just kind of wanted to add it to my collection. This is just going to be a great color for the fall coming up here, so I'm very stoked to just really have fun with styling these kind of neutral monochromatic colors, but it also has this just nice pop right there on the swoosh. All right, so I want you all to just kind of take a glimpse at how I styled each of these amazing shoes that I got on eBay's site to see how I'm gonna mix it into the next season. Thanks so much, eBay, for giving me such a stress-free experience with buying sneakers for the first time on the resale market. I definitely was stressed, but you made this process so easy. And the fact that I have this NFC tag that really gives me the comfort that I need, knowing that these are each authenticated and I know that they are real. I don't have to lose that peace of mind that these could potentially be fake. And I'm just so happy to have added all these special sneakers to my collection. Thanks to eBay for sponsoring this video.